In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Keeps Stopping Problem 2026 5 minutes. If Google keeps crashing, freezing, or suddenly signing you out, it's often caused by a corrupted cache, a misbehaving extension, or an outdated browser. I'll walk you through a clean, reliable way to fix it using your browser settings and your Google account security options. Start in Chrome and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu, then go to Settings. Inside Settings, open Privacy and Security. Here's where we'll clear out old data that can trigger crashes. Choose Clear Browsing Data. In the time range, pick All Time so you remove lingering files that might be conflicting with Google services. Select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files, and then click Delete Data. Heads up, this can sign you out of some sites, and pages may load a bit slower the first time after clearing, but it's one of the most effective ways to stop crash loops and odd sign-in behavior. Next, disable your extensions. Extensions can interfere with Google Pages or authentication without you realizing it. Open your extensions page from the menu and toggle them off. Test Google again. If things behave normally, turn extensions back on one at a time to identify any culprit. Keeping only trusted, up-to-date extensions reduces conflicts long-term. Now make sure Chrome itself is current. Go back to the menu and open About Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them. Running the latest version ensures you have the newest stability and security fixes, which directly help prevent the keep stopping issue. From there, click your profile picture in the top right of Chrome and select Manage your Google account. Open the Security section. Choose Manage All Devices and review where your account is signed in. If you see any device you don't recognize, remove it. Unexpected sessions can cause sign-outs or security checks that look like errors. If you use two-step verification, confirm your trusted devices are listed correctly so you aren't logged out unexpectedly. While you're here, make sure your password is strong and current. A secure, recent password reduces account prompts and interruptions. After completing these steps, use Google again and see if the crashes are gone. By clearing cache data, isolating extensions, updating Chrome, and confirming your account's security and devices, you address the most common causes behind Google stopping unexpectedly. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get everything running smoothly.